everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to finish out my Bath and Body Works collection with my body sprays. I have a few. I'm not going to run out this year for sure. I don't think. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and jump in, get started. Some of these I've used a little bit of. I don't use one until it's gone. I kind of rotate them around just how I'm feeling. So that's why some have used, some doesn't have used yet. So yeah, and I use seasonal ones, of course. I think we all do that. So let's just jump in and get started. Just have them all here on my desk. I'll kind of wipe them off as I go, you know, a little dusty. First, I have a couple of this style. Where's the other one? Here it is. I have two this style. This one is chestnut and argan. It smells yummy. The fragrance notes on this are chestnut, argan, sandalwood, and musk. Really nice. This is very much a fall and winter scent. I do like it. So I have that one. Oops. And then I have one more like that, and it's Bonfire Bash, which if you've been here a while, you know my favorite scent in the fall and winter is By the Fireplace by Replica, and this goes along with it. It's pretty close to it. It's not the same, but it's pretty close. It gives me a little bit of that smoky feel. And let's see, does it toasted marshmallows, crackling campfires, and cozy flannels. I think the marshmallow is what's different than from the fragrance. So, but yeah, I like that a lot too. So there we go. I got those. The rest, I guess, are kind of in regular packaging. I don't know what happened to the lid for this one. It probably fell behind some furniture. I've got Plumeria. This one, the notes are pink plumeria, peach nectar, red apple, night blooming jasmine, and gardenia petals. I'm going to spray this a little on my tissue here. Yeah, what I predominantly smell is peach. The first thing I really smell out of this is peach. I used to have a plumeria plant. I don't remember it smelling. I'm sure they do. I know they're all over Hawaii. Yeah, I smell the peach. I don't smell gardenia. I don't care for the scent of artificial gardenia. I have gardenia bushes in my yard and they smell amazing. Nothing I have ever smelt that's tried to replicate that smells good to me. I don't like artificial gardenia. I love the smell of a real gardenia. But the artificial, Okay, next, Snow-Kissed Sugar. Do we have notes? No notes on this one. Sorry, guys. So, I don't know when this is from. But it's, it has a detergent smell to me. I probably need to get a different tissue. Yeah, it smells nice. I'm not good at explaining fragrances, but yeah, it smells good. Okay, next I have Malibu Heat. And I don't have notes on this one. Sorry, guys. I have got, this is just says gingham, and it's the Diamond Shimmer Mist. I like this. This one I have in my bathroom right now. I'm working on this one. Yeah, that smells good. This reminds me of like early days of Bath and Body Works. It smells like, I get a little bit of that fresh linen kind of smell from it. I don't think this one has notes, does it? Yeah. Let's see. No, I don't see notes on it. Our luxurious diamond shimmer mist kisses your skin with irresistible fragrance and gorgeous sparkle. That it does, but it's not giving me notes. But yeah, I'm almost done with that one. Next, I have Rain Kissed Leaves. No notes. They don't put notes on these. I have, let me wipe this one off. It's embarrassing here. I've got Bali Mango. I have this in the lotion I've been using. That's in my project pan. Yeah, it smells nice. Do we have notes? No. Nope. There we go. Let's go with this one. I have got Fresh Cut Lilacs. That's one of my favorite scents. Yeah, doesn't disappoint. It has notes: lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and soft spring air. So it's a pretty bottle too. Let's go. I have Gingham Gorgeous, and this one, pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. Yeah, this smells really nice. I tend to really like the Gingham collection. I really like those. I haven't found one that I know of that I don't like. Doesn't mean there's not one out there, but I haven't found one that I don't like. Here's a seasonal one. Came off the top. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I've used a little bit of this. I can't smell this one. Get another tissue. Yeah. Yep. It smells nice. It smells nice. I have Honeysuckle Peach Tea. And this one has notes: honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, and sweet tea. I can smell this one. It smells nice. There we go. I like honeysuckle. I like peach. So I'm very happy with those. I'm kind of moving things around here. I've got Rio Pineapple Mango. Look at that. That's cool packaging. Fresh pineapple juice, mango, vine ripened raspberry. It smells nice. Very tropical. I like that one. I don't think I have not used that one at all. I have these three, which I bought, I think last year, maybe. These are the dupes for the Boom Boom Cream, the Sol de Janeiro. So I've got Pink Paradise, which is pink dragon fruit, wild hibiscus, and blush moss. It smells nice. I have Vacation Vibe, which is whipped pistachio and amber. I think this one's supposed to be like the Boom Boom Cream. Yeah, it says whipped pistachio, sun-drenched jasmine, praline, amber. I get that kind of. I had a caramel, I can't remember. It was a cream, a body cream. It was like a pumpkin caramel or something like that. That smelled more like Boom Boom Cream than this does, but that smells all right. And then I got Solar Shine, which this one is one of those shimmer sprays. This is Radiant Coconut and Vanilla. Radiant Coconut, Sunlit Tuberose, and Bronzed Tonka. Yeah, it smells really nice, and it's in the shimmery. Next, I have a Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale is pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and warm amber. I really love Fairy Tale, and that's why I've not used it. But I have to use these things. I can't just not use them because I like them. I'm one of these people, if something's real expensive, I'm real sparingly with it. I need to use things. Yeah, I really love the smell of Fairy Tale. That is really nice. Did I have yes, I think I have a body wash in it. I've got another seasonal, gingerbread latte. I worked on this one during Christmas. It smells really good. I really like the scent of this one. There's no notes on this one. But yeah, gingerbread latte. And then I have two minis. Let's do this one. I have a Golden Mango Lagoon. Let's see, is there notes on this one? It's got, no, it doesn't have the notes. And then the last one I have is Fresh Coconut and Cotton. I love like linen scents, and I love coconut. I can't stand this. I'm using it. It is taking me a while to use this, but I absolutely don't care for this. I'm not going to spray pillows with it. I'm not going to spray bedding with it. I don't like it. I should just do away with it, but I just can't. It's not my favorite scent. I mean, it's just barely okay with me. There's something about it. I just don't care for the coconut and the cotton mixed together. I don't care for that. But that's it. I do have a coconut lime verbena in a spray that fell behind my dresser when I was pulling these things out, and I'll have to get Brian to get it. So just take my word for it. I have a full size of coconut lime verbena that's been partially used, and then that's everything I've got. That's all the sprays I have. And so yeah, I just wanted to share them with you. I just wanted to go through them myself, see what I have. I will carefully put these back for now, and later get my husband to grab that one that fell behind the dresser. And so guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So again, thanks for spending some time with me. I'll see y'all next time.